the sign that the level is strong or not. The first one that we should check for every level is the market is respecting this level. We are seeing so many reversal on that level or not. So if the level reversed the market so many times, it is a sign that the level is strong. The second one, if the level start a momentum, right? If the level start a momentum, it is a sign that the level is strong. And the third one, if the level make a very strong candle. So these are the signs that the level is strong, and we need to trade with this level. As I show you, the market have so many levels. We cannot trust all of them. We can trust these three types. So always check for a strong level. Don't trade for with every level, okay? So now let's talk about how you can draw a level. For example, you are seeing a reversal here, right? Okay, you can see the market reverse here, so it is a SNR, right? So we need to draw this SNR and we need to check it. Always check the level. Okay, so let me draw this level and let's check it. Okay, here you can see there is a seller's entry here, a reversal. Okay, let's check more. Here you can see buyer's entry, seller's entry, a reversal, buyer's entry. So you can see the level is working. Let's check more. Here again you can see a reversal, again a reversal. So if you check this level, you can see it is working. You can see with a touch so many buyers enter here. Here also there is a reversal. So when you check this level, you will see the market is respecting this level, right? We draw from this point. Okay, so we check this level, the market is respecting. So when the market close at this level, we can trust. You can see here it close here, a reversal, again it close, a reversal, again it close, a reversal, again it close here, reversal, again it close here, a reversal, again here. So you are seeing mostly the market will respect the strong levels. So the second one was when the market start a momentum. Okay, here you can see there is a bullish momentum, right? If you have 3 candle or more, like here it is 5 candle with the same color, it is a momentum. So here we are seeing a bullish momentum. So let's draw the level here. Okay, okay, so we draw this area. What we need to do, we need to check this level in the past. So let's check. Okay, here you can see this market close at this level. You can see a reversal. Okay, here close at this level, we are seeing a reversal. Okay, here you can see there are some reversal here. Okay, so if you check this level, you are seeing this market is respecting this level, right? So we check this level, this one, and we know it is strong. So let me see. Okay, you can see in the future when the market close again at this level, at least for 1 minute, we can expect a reversal. You can see with a strong levels you can trade easily and you can get high winning ratio easily. So always check and always search for a strong level. Okay, and the last one was a level make a very strong candle. Okay, let me find one if possible. Okay, here this is a strong candle also, and also a momentum. You don't need to have all of these three signs together. One sign is enough, but always check to the past. Okay, always check the market is respecting that level or not. Okay, so let me draw this one. Okay, you can see this is also a strong candle from this round number. You can see this is also a round number. Here you can see 1 0. Okay, so if you check, you can see a reversal, right? Very strong reversal, a very strong momentum. It means this level is very strong. Okay, so let's check in the past. Okay, here you can see. So when the market close at the level, we can expect a reversal. Okay, let me draw the area. Okay, here you can see some reversal. Here you can see a reversal. Okay, so this is also a very strong level. So let me check. Okay, so this breakout, because I told you this one is not 100%. Sometimes you can see a breakout, and this one is because of this momentum. We will talk about these breakouts in the future class, so don't worry. Okay, here you can see at least for one candle, you can see, as I told you, at least for one candle we can expect reversal. Okay, so this way you can understand the strong levels and draw. You can see here again. So in the future the market will mostly respect the level, the strong level. So it is so much helpful. Always try to place your trade with strong levels. So this way you can draw the strong levels manually. So sometimes the people cannot find the level easily. So we have something